Hello, welcome to Explore 7, Introduction to Spanish and Hispanic Cultures. Many of you already know me and have had me for Explore 6, but for those who don't, my name is Mrs. Rooney, or for this class, Senora Rooney, since we are going to learn a little bit of Spanish this semester. I want to walk you through the syllabus real quickly, which looks like this. You will see this syllabus when you click on the syllabus link in Canvas. Most of our syllabi for most of your classes will look like this, and we'll have the same expectations. The course description is right here. We will explore Spanish language and Hispanic culture. Specifically, you will learn these things: how to introduce yourself, how to greet people, numbers, time, and identifying body parts, talk about classroom things. You'll learn how to ask some questions, identify seasons, and of course you will learn geography of Hispanic countries, their people, food, music, and literature. What you need for this class is just your Chromebook and your charger. We're going to pretty much do everything online, so you don't even need a notebook. No interactive notebook this year. We're going to do lots of web quests and just make little videos, and you can show me what you've learned, and I'll ask you to do some things. Expectations. So all the expectations for this year are for all across the board are the same. Okay? So you're expected to arrive on campus, prepared with your materials. As I said, you need to have your Chromebook and your charger. You'll be with your learning coach, whether that be me or someone else, and you need to use technology responsibly. So since we will be using our Chromebooks a lot, you need to be on the appropriate websites. And face-to-face, you can read through this. I am not going to read the whole thing. Virtually, same things. You are going to, especially when you're at home, or even if you're going to do it to the best of your ability, be located in a clean, quiet area with minimal background noise, views, and distractions. Make sure you come to a meet or office hours. Make sure you come a couple of minutes beforehand. Make sure your mic is muted. All those things. Just everybody has the same expectations this year. Okay, you will, grading policy is the same as last year, so I'm not going to go over that. I'm trying to get my document to move down. And then this is new to you guys, so the honor code. Okay, an honor code says, I, as a student of Liberty High School, pledge to do all within my power to uphold the honor, integrity, and scholastic standing of my school, to assume responsibility for my own actions, and neither to give nor receive help on any homework, quiz, test, exam, or other assignment that I am expected to do alone. Okay, that is the honor code. So you need to do your own work, and meaning you can't just go and Google and Google the question, and you can't copy and paste and put that in a Google slide. That's taking somebody else's work and presenting it as your own. So please take this seriously. Here are the results for the code infractions. Cell phone policy and electronic devices. They are allowed at school, but can only be used during non-instructional time. Okay, or if it's granted by the teacher and the instructional coach. So if you're using it inappropriately, then it can't be taken away. Electronic devices, the use of any, if it distracts or impedes learning, then it can also be taken away. So on the bottom of the syllabus it said, thank you for taking the time to review all course procedures and expectations. I appreciate your support and look forward to working with you. In lieu of signing and returning this document, please complete the syllabus assignment in Canvas with your student. So in Canvas, there will be an assignment named syllabus. You need to go over it. You need to go open it and then sign it. So I'm going to go back to Canvas here and show you where that is located. So here we are. This is your home page. This is going to come up every time when you click on Canvas. And then the other thing you can access is modules. You go to your modules. The assignment for to sign the syllabus is going to be here in Welcome to Explore 7. Okay, here's the link to the syllabus. So this is how you're going to acknowledge that you have signed the syllabus. Okay, so now that we're on Canvas, you can see that I have, on the side you'll have a button for home, modules, and I'm going to put announcements here too, because your announcements will, if you have a Google Meet or something, your announcement will go in there. So for the way my modules are laid out in Canvas is, go back, they are by week. So here's welcome to the class, your journey begins here, that's your first module. The first thing will be welcome to Explore 7. The first thing you're going to do that first day. Okay? And if you look at it, the only thing I want you to do is remember to sign the syllabus, and then you're technically going to be watching this video right here, and then you're going to introduce yourself in a discussion. Okay? You click on a discussion, and you're going to follow what you have to do there. So for your discussion, you'll have in less than 150 words introduce yourself. Tell us your favorite anything, your book, color, game, social media app. What is one of the things that you'll learn during our shutdown or the summer, and one least favorite aspect of not being in school? Then find one other person who has the same favorite as you do and comment on their post. Okay, keep it school appropriate. So that is how you will do the first assignment on the first day or the first week. Okay, so then module 2 runs from September 14th to the 18th. So what you will find, let me show you. You'll find this is what our modules called for that week: Mesoamerica cultures and basic greetings. You click on it, and you will just follow this. So the first thing you will always do in a module, I will have a video that will be posted on the module page. So you will watch the video, introduction to or module overview, and I will explain everything that's here that you'll have to do. Okay? So every week there is a module. It's on one page and all the links will be in there, and I will have a video every week so you can follow along and see what you'll have to do. Remember, I will have office hours, I will have Google Meets, and I will have face-to-face if you need more additional help. Okay? So that is all for this introduction video. I know it was lots of information, and I hope that that you understood everything. Please reach out. You can contact me through email, and then I will have office hours. If you want to see me face to face, you need to talk to your learning coach so we can set up an appointment, and then I'll have some Google Meets if you have any questions to ask me. Okay, as I said, I'm looking forward to the year. It will be different, but I think it will be good. So see some of you in person soon, or I will maybe have already seen you. Hasta luego. See you later.